could be taking control, yeah.
So hey guys, it's me and I'm back with another video. So the OnePlus 80 and 80 Pro, the devices are confirmed. Yes, I'm right. According to the oxygenupdater.com, the OnePlus 80 and 80 Pro devices are leaked, and I have got the first look of the OnePlus 80 from the front. So this video is going to be very interesting, so do hit that subscribe button and also press that like button. So let's start the video. Let's move on the website Oxygen Updater. Secondly, updated camera application. Here we have got the specifications of the OnePlus 80. Secondly, updated camera application 5.4.74 hints at 8K video support for upcoming devices, most likely the OnePlus 80, since it may have a 64 megapixel sensor, which I spotted in version 5.4.23, extracted from the developer preview 2 and tipped to XDA developers. Here are some frameworks of the OnePlus 80. Device can capture up to 240 frames per second video at the rate 60 fps. On top of that, settings APK informs us of two small new features: hiding silent notification in status bar and a new accent color. It also includes an image of the OnePlus 80, which will be used in about section. This is the leaked specifications and the leaked picture of the OnePlus 80. You can see here is only a single punch hole at the top. Slightly less important but not less interesting message: APK got bumped from the 6.0.2.0 to 6.000 and adds a new starting related to rich communication service, which it means may support in the future. So these are some leaked specifications, and the device is totally confirmed by the OnePlus Oxygen Updater. So what you say, you can just tell me in the comment box. And if you like the video, so do hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel. So bye and see you all in the next video.